In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Flodesk form to your Squarespace website. This guide is perfect for those who are looking to seamlessly integrate their email marketing into their stunning Squarespace design. Now, let's dive in and I'll walk you through each step to ensure a smooth setup. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Flodesk website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the form that you want to add to your Squarespace site. Take a moment to find it, and once you've spotted it, you'll notice 3 dots accompanying the form options. Go ahead and click on those dots. This will open up more settings for your form, giving you the ability to proceed with the embedding process. After clicking on that, look for the option labeled Embed. This is what allows us to capture the necessary code that we'll input into Squarespace. It's that simple. Just press Embed. Next, you'll see an option to Copy. Click it, and this will copy the embed code to your clipboard. This code is what connects Flodesk and Squarespace, allowing the form to display correctly on your web page. A quick tip, always double-check that you've copied the entire code, as missing even a small part of it might lead to issues later on. With the embed code copied, it's now time to switch over to your Squarespace site. Head over to the site editor where you manage your content. Here, you'll want to look for the option to Add Block. The Add Block feature is a wonderful tool within Squarespace, letting you insert various elements into your site seamlessly. Once you've clicked on Add Block, a series of options will appear. You'll want to choose Embed, which allows you to incorporate custom code like the one we just copied from Flodesk. After selecting Embed, you'll want to find the option to Edit. By clicking this, you're entering a space where you can insert code snippets directly into your site. This might sound technical, but don't worry. All we're doing is pasting the code that we copied earlier. Now, you'll see a field titled Code Snippet. Click on this section. This field is intended for any HTML or script-based codes we wish to use. Within this Code Snippet section, you will find Embed Data. Select this, and you'll be prompted to add a code. Paste the Flodesk embed code that you copied earlier. Again, it's always a good idea to double-check that the full code has been pasted correctly. Finally, look for the option to Save. Click Save to finalize the process and ensure that your form is correctly integrated on your site. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a Flodesk form to your Squarespace site. This integration not only helps with growing your email list, but also maintains the aesthetic and functionality of your website. Don't forget to preview and check your site to ensure everything looks just the way you want it. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!